Vikram stared at his father's old toolbox, gathering dust in the garage. His dad had passed away 6 months ago, and today was Father's Day, the first without him. His 7-year-old son Arjun ran in, holding a broken toy car. Papa, can you fix this like Grandpa used to fix everything? Vikram's heart sank. I am not good with tools, beta. We will buy you a new one. But Grandpa always said everything can be fixed with patience and love, Arjun insisted. Reluctantly, Vikram opened the dusty toolbox. Inside, he found a note in his father's handwriting. For my son, these tools built our home, fixed countless toys, and taught me that broken things deserve second chances. Use them with love. Father and son spent the afternoon together, fumbling with screwdrivers and glue. The car didn't look perfect when they finished, but it worked. More importantly, Arjun beamed with pride. We did it, Papa, just like Grandpa taught us. Vikram smiled, finally understanding. His father hadn't just left him tools, he had left him the wisdom to create memories with his own son. Yes, my friend, why not make this day a different one for our fathers? Create memories, share something that meant to you. We never know how love will touch them. Scripture from the book of Proverbs, chapter 23, verse 22 says, Listen to your father who gave you life. Don't hate your mother when she is old. Happy Father's Day to all the dads around the world.